thoughts?
Not a big fan.
Really?
No.
Why?
Tastes weird. Kind of tastes like an egg and cinnamon in a cookie.
This is my favorite cookie.
It is?
It's good.
Done.
Too caramely or perfect?
Perfect.
Or my full cookie. A full cookie.
Reminds me of childhood. Going to your grandma's house. The big
Fair.
tub. The old Tupperware lemon. I like it a lot.
Put these in the freezer.
Really?
Yep.
Why? Just
Tastes better.
I want more marshmallow though.
not enough
Like-
marshmallow?
No.
I mean, I like it, but I feel like I could only have like 3. And then I'd be like, it's enough.
What do we think?
I could eat an entire sleeve of these. One sitting.
That's the worst one.
Really?
Oh, you
Nope.
don't like peanut butter?
No, that's bad.
Yep, I'm good. I agree.
That's the worst one?
Oh no.
My name's Luke Owen with Rector Construction, and Lemonades is the Girl Scout Cookie of the Year.
My name's Clarissa, and my choice is the lemonades.
Hi, I'm Chavez from Rector Construction. I don't agree with Luke. Lemonades doesn't have it. It's the Samoas.